What happened to the American dream? The cost of living has been skyrocketing. Average new home prices have risen by more than 20% in the last 5 years, but wages have not kept up. That's made it almost impossible to save up for a down payment on a new home. As a result, nearly 40 million Americans live in homes they can't afford. But for so many new homeowners, UMH Properties is filling the gap in affordable housing by adding brand new, high-quality manufactured homes in well-placed communities throughout the Midwest and Northeast. That's right, for about the same price as renting a one-bedroom apartment, most Americans can own a brand new 2 or 3 bedroom, 2-bath UMH home. Starting at just $59,000, the dream of home ownership can become a reality. Find out how to live up to your expectations affordably. Start creating the home of your dreams at umhsalescenter.com, where you can choose from a variety of new home plans and customizable options to fit every budget. That's putting you first.